Welcome back to my YouTube channel. New arrival 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GLS Extra Plus, luxury comfort interior exterior walk around. The highly anticipated Mitsubishi Triton GLS Extra Plus 2025 has arrived, setting a new standard for luxury and performance in the pickup truck segment. With a bold exterior, refined interior, and cutting-edge features, this model is designed to impress both adventure seekers and urban drivers alike. In this detailed walk-around, we take an in-depth look at its exterior design, interior luxury, technology upgrades, and performance enhancements. Bold rugged exterior. The 2025 Triton GLS Extra Plus boasts a modern and muscular design, making a striking statement on the road. The dynamic shield front grille, sharp LED headlamps, and sculpted body lines enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The redesigned alloy wheels and high ground clearance reinforce its capability on off-road terrains, while chrome accents add a touch of elegance. Premium interior comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a spacious, ergonomic cabin that exudes comfort and sophistication. The premium leather seats offer enhanced lumbar support, ensuring a pleasant ride even on long journeys. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility keeps you connected and entertained. Dual-zone climate control and noise-insulated cabins provide a first-class driving experience. Advanced technology safety. Mitsubishi has packed the Triton GLS Extra Plus with next-generation technology and safety features. The vehicle comes with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. The advanced four-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability in various terrains, making it an excellent choice for both city commutes and off-road adventures. Performance efficiency. Under the hood, the Triton GLS Extra Plus is powered by a high-performance turbocharged diesel engine, delivering both power and efficiency. The improved suspension system enhances driving dynamics, offering a smoother ride on highways and rugged trails alike. With an optimized fuel economy, this model strikes the perfect balance between power and sustainability. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GLS Extra Plus is a game-changer in the pickup segment, combining luxury, performance, and technology in one package. Whether you're looking for a rugged off-road warrior or a stylish urban cruiser, this truck delivers on all fronts.